Welcome to the Business Travel Show Europe, brought to you by BTN Group.
This is very positive, very friendly.
The key players are here.
It's good to find out what the trends are in the industry now.
It's more important now than ever to see where everybody is, align, get new ideas. And we've got 2 days, it's hardly enough. I think it's wonderful.
This is the event of the year. The quality of the buyers that are here, we have to be here.
This is a big European show, not only UK buyers, but from all over the globe and all over Europe.
Everybody can be found within these four walls.
It's absolutely the perfect opportunity to meet this many people in 2 days. My bosses are going to be talking to the organisers later on today and organising our stand for next year.
It has always been a key event in our calendar. We actually made pretty significant deals out of this.
We always get a good ROI out of this show.
I don't think I've ever enjoyed a show quite as much as I'm enjoying this one. Our first show, our first live event, our first stand, it's been a fantastic experience.
You've had an incredible couple of days here at Business Travel Show Europe, so get the dates in your diary for next year. Join us here at London's XL.